Hello everyone, welcome to AM Unboxing. This is your host Ari. So today we are gonna unbox a lavalier mic from BOYA. This is the BY-M1 collar mic. So this is the unidirectional mic we are gonna unbox today. So let's do it. Okay, so this is the collar mic we have got. So the box packing is looking very nice. So BOYA logo is given over here. The model name is BY-M1. This collar mic is ideal for both DSLRs and smartphones. So in this side we can see that the logo is given over here. Behind the box few details are mentioned, so you can read it by pausing this video. So let's unbox it. So we will open it. Okay, so okay, now we have opened the box. Let's see what items we get. So these are the things which we have got. Few documents. I guess this is the warranty card. This is the user manual. You can read it fully if you want. Good quality user manual. Skip it side. So here we get a good quality pouch, and let's see what we have in this pouch. Okay, so this is the mic. This portion, this is the actual mic which will be used to record audio. So this is omnidirectional mic. You can record audio in any side. This is the controller. Looks like metal, good quality, and this is a big large wire, so I guess it will be a 1 meter or 1.5 meter wire. Good quality wire we can get. This is a 3.5 jack we have. What else we get? We get some, okay, let's see what is here. Okay, I have to open it. So this is the clip. This is the clip which will be used to tap this mic in our collar or anywhere. Let's put aside. Here we have got one adapter, extra adapter. You have got the windscreen that will be used to reduce the noise. Okay, what else? We have got a battery. Let's open the battery first. This is the LR44 battery, I guess. This is the LR44 battery which will be inserted. These all the things we get. So this is the mic, this is the mic, this is the battery, the windscreen, the collar adapter. So these are the things we typically get in this mic. So first let's insert the battery. So if you see, I'm just here we have to insert the battery, the cell which we get. So let's insert it. So it seems that battery has been inserted. So we can roll this. So I have inserted the battery over here, and now let's insert the wind. So this can be done. We can press this. Okay, hold a second. So it will go like this. This looks nice. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just attach this part in this portion. You can see we have to attach this part in this portion here. So let's do it. Okay, now it's done. So we can easily attach it in our collar. So the mic is fit. Now this can be tied in anywhere. We can tie it anywhere. Now, so we need to test this mic now. So this is the mic looks like after putting the wind cap and the battery. So you are hearing me from this mic right now. Please let me know in the comment section how the audio quality is going as compared to my last video. So this is an omnidirectional mic, which means that it can pick voice from anywhere. So hello testing, mic check 1 2 3, and we can put the mic anywhere using this clip. So let me put it here like this. We can put the mic in our collar. So as of now the audio quality, I guess it is good. So and this is the controller. So let me show you one thing. So this is a button which will be used to toggle between smartphone and DSLR, and this controller's quality is looking nice. So at the price point below 1500, the mic's audio quality is great and it is appreciable. So this is it for this video. I hope you liked my unboxing of the BOYA BY-M1 mic. If you liked it, then please subscribe to my channel AM Unboxing, comment down the suggestions and whatever you want, and please share the video if you like. Thank you. Bye bye.